Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. Again, I am back with my new stream. Any guesses? What topic I am going to share today with you all? Any guesses? Okay, yeah, right. Yes, so today I am going to talk about a very nice, beautiful topic is transactional analysis. Transactional analysis is a really beautiful, psychoanalytic theory, or you can say a therapy that will help us in our daily social interaction. In short, I would say is the transactional analysis is a psychoanalytic theory and method of therapy where in social interaction, or you can say transaction, are analyzed to determine the ego state of the communicator as a basis of understanding and behavior. So let me tell you a bit about ego. What is ego? Okay. In psychology, this term ego is very, very much important. And this word, it's what I would say is the word is coined by our famous Mr. Freud. So the ego can be defined as the part of the psyche responsible for our sense of self and our ability to interact with the outside world. It is generally thought to be a part of the self that is most closely connected to reality and our sense of self awareness. सो ईगो क्या है आपको समझ में आया ना. ईगो इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ एबिलिटी जो हमें हेल्प करता है इंटरेक्ट करने में टू आउटसाइड द वर्ल्ड. ओके, एंड दिस ईगो इज समहाउ रिलेटेड विथ ट्रांजैक्शनल एनालिसिस. So let me share my screen first so that you can easily understand our today's session that is based on transactional analysis. Hope my this is visible to everyone, right? Just a second. Yeah. So transactional analysis, I think the screen is a bit just a second guys, let me see what can I do to fix this. Okay, each of us is really three people. So what is mean by three people? Parent, adult and child. These three are called ego states. They are felt state of being and not just rules. Parent, child ego state. This state we can say it's a natural child state. It's like, see, prince kind of. hateful, loving, spontaneous, playful. Intuitive child, it's a little professor, right? Thoughtful, imaginative, creative. Adopted child is like frog, fearful, guilty, ashamed. So ego child state is having three part: natural child, intuitive child, and adopted child. Parent ego state. What is parent ego state? A collection of pre-recorded, prejudged, prejudiced codes for living. Decides without reasoning how to react to situation. Can be over controlling and oppressive or life giving, supportive and tender. Overly critical, critical parent. Loving and nurturing the child called nurturing parent. Adult ego state has no emotion, able to detach from feelings, logical. What are the contamination? When the adult uses information which has its source in the child or in the parent and which may be incorrect and prejudice. Voices in the head. Parental tapes being played over in our minds. They may be good or bad depending on which parent's tapes we are playing. Critical parents is opposed to natural child. Nurturing parent is supportive to natural child. It is possible to fight your critical parents, also called pig parent. Relationship. Child to child, parent to parent, child to adult, adult to parent, adult to adult. Here comes the very important point: strokes. The recognition that one person gives to another, essential to a person's life, can vary from actual physical touch to praise. But before going to stroke, I would like to share more information about this ego states, that is child, parent and adult. Okay, give me a second. Let me share my screen one more time. I hope it's visible to all. Three basic concepts of transactional analysis, as I told: parent, adult and child. Okay, there are 9 possible transactions between child, parent and adult. In short, parent is P, A is adult, C is child. At the starting of my session, I talked about ego. So, id, ego, superego. Id is pleasure principle, ego means realistic, and superego is ethical. Okay. So the three ego state: parent. Parent is do as I do. आप बताओ पेरेंट जो होते हैं उनका बिहेवियर कैसा होता है? एज अ पेरेंट उनका बिहेवियर कैसा होना चाहिए? ऑलवेज ऑर्डरिंग, ऐसा करो, ऐसा मत करो, बोला ना ऐसा करना है, डू दिस, डू दैट, whatever I am saying you have to do the same. Always like a professor or a teacher kind of, right? Protective. What is child? What shall I do? बच्चों का बिहेवियर कैसा होता है? जस्ट इमेजिन, सुनते हैं, बदमाशी भी करते हैं, रोते भी हैं. सो चाइल्ड. एंड एडल्ट, आई विल बी फ्रैंक विथ यू. एडल्ट कैसे होते हैं आप खुद ही सोचो. वी आर चाइल्ड, एडल्ट, पेरेंट इन आवर ट्रांजैक्शन. व्हाट इज ट्रांजैक्शन एनालिसिस? कम्युनिकेशन. ट्रांजैक्शन, it helps us to build our relationship more strengthened. Biological conditions are irrelevant to these ego states. We shift from one ego state to another in transaction. इसमें क्या होता है कि हम एक स्टेट से दूसरे स्टेट तक पहुंचते हैं. एक जो पेरेंट, अगर हम बात करें कि पेरेंट ईगो स्टेट, पेरेंट ईगो स्टेट कभी चाइल्ड ईगो स्टेट भी था, कभी वो एडल्ट ईगो स्टेट भी होता है. लाइक इफ़ यू आर अ मदर of a son or daughter, so with him you have to behave like a parent or like an adult, but in front of your parent you are a child, right? So somehow ये सारे एक दूसरे के साथ interconnected हैं. Shift in ego states. Parent, why don't you prepare a timetable? As a parent ऐसा होता है. Child, what is the point when one cannot follow it? Become an adult. एडल्ट होने के लिए क्या पॉइंट है कि इसको हमें जो है फॉलो करना ही पड़ेगा अपने पेरेंट्स के बात को. ट्रांजैक्शनल स्टिमुलस एंड रिस्पॉन्स. द इनिशिएटर ऑफ द ट्रांजैक्शन इज कॉल्ड ट्रांजैक्शनल स्टिमुलस. द response of the responded is called transactional response. ठीक है. Types of transaction. Complementary transaction. What is complementary transaction? Appropriate and expected transaction indicating healthy human relationship. हेल्दी ह्यूमन रिलेशनशिप को बनाने के लिए हमें जो है ये कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री ट्रांजैक्शन का हेल्प तब की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. कम्युनिकेशन टेक प्लेस व्हेन ट्रांजैक्शंस आर कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री. कम्युनिकेशन कब होगा? जब हम एक दूसरे को कॉम्प्लीमेंट करेंगे. ओह, यू आर गुड, यू आर डूइंग गुड लाइक दिस, यू लुक प्रिटी. ऑल दीज आर कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री ट्रांजैक्शन. Stimulus invite a response and this response become a stimulus, initiative, further response and so on. जब आप किसी को कॉम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं, इसके साथ साथ आपका जो है रिलेशनशिप भी बेटर होगा, रिस्पॉन्स भी अच्छे मिलेंगे और स्लोली आपका जो कम्युनिकेशन है वो आगे बढ़ेगा. क्रॉस्ड ट्रांजैक्शन, ये था कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री. Now cross. This causes most difficulties in social situation. कैसे? Maybe you should improve your teaching. You always find fault with me, whatever I do. Parent-child interaction. अगर हम यहाँ बात करें स्पेशली ओनली पेरेंट फिगर और चाइल्ड फिगर, सो बच्चे हमेशा बोलते, पेरेंट्स हमेशा बच्चों को बोलते हैं, यार तुम और अच्छा कर सकते थे अपनी स्टडीज़ में. और अगर आप बच्चे हो तब क्या बोलोगे? पापा या मम्मी, आपको ऑलवेज मेरे हर चीज़ में फॉल्ट ही दिखता है, मेरी खूबियाँ तो आपको दिखती नहीं है. वन मोर थिंग आई वुड लाइक टू क्लियर हियर इज़ parent, child and adult, it doesn't mean that you have to be a child or you have to be a parent or you have to be an adult. एक इंसान में, एक ह्यूमन बीइंग में ये तीनों चीज़ें आती हैं. जैसा कि मैंने पहले बताया था, इफ़ यू आर अ मदर ऑफ अ चाइल्ड, सो इन फ्रंट ऑफ योर चाइल्ड यू आर हिज पेरेंट और मदर, है ना, और एज अ एडल्ट. But as a parent also, you are having some childish qualities, or maybe some adult qualities. So एक बंदे में तीनों qualities होते हैं, तीनों ego states होते हैं, और इन्हें हमको बैलेंस करते हुए आगे बढ़ना होता है. So this is क्रॉस ट्रांजैक्शनल एनालिसिस. ट्रांजैक्शन जिसमें जो है ये हमेशा सोशल सिचुएशंस में डिफ़िकल्टीज ही लाते हैं. दूसरों पे बुराई निकालना, तुमने ये गलत किया है, तुमने वो गलत किया है, लाइक दिस. टिपिकल गेम्स बिटवीन अ शॉपकीपर एंड अ हाउस वाइफ. दिस वन इज़ बेटर बट यू कैनॉट अफोर्ड इट. अगर हम बात करें टीचर और स्टूडेंट, दिस इज़ गुड टॉपिक बट यू कैनॉट हैंडल इट. बिटवीन एन एक्सपर्ट एंड कैंडिडेट, what you just said is totally wrong. ये सारे क्या हैं हमारे क्रॉस ट्रांजैक्शन. एग्जाम्पल ऑफ क्रॉस ट्रांजैक्शन. So this is what I have shared is this is a short description of child, adult and parent ego state. Okay. Now I am going to talk about stroke. Stroke जो बहुत ज़्यादा ही इम्पॉर्टेंट होते हैं in transactional analysis. What are strokes? क्या होता है stroke? Stroke. Eric Berne defined a stroke as the fundamental unit of social action. A stroke is a unit of recognition when one person recognizes another person. And a stroke can be physical, it can be verbal, it can be non-verbal, and so could be, it's like a shaking hand, nodding your head, or giving a compliment. All these are strokes. Okay. It could also be like hi, hello. Okay. All these acknowledge that other person exists. ये सारी चीज़ें जो है acknowledge करती हैं कि other person जो है वो exist करता है. These are strokes. Eric introduces the idea of stroke into transactional analysis based upon the work of René Spritz, a researcher who did pioneering work in the area of child development. He observed that infant deprived of cuddling, touching and handling, or in other words I would say like not receiving any physical strokes, were more likely to experience emotional and physical difficulties. अगर आपको strokes नहीं मिलते हैं, that means you are experiencing some emotional or physical difficulties. That is why in our life stroke is very much important. Okay. There are different types of stroke: positive stroke and negative stroke, or these strokes can be conditional or unconditional. The major point is the need of stroke is recognition. Okay. The idea like I can say the ideal for us is to constantly receive positive stroke, but positive recognition is not always possible. So we have to choose between getting negative strokes, negative recognition or no stroke at all. Byrne reasoned that any stroke, either it is positive or negative, is better than no stroke of. आप स्ट्रोक दे रहे हो, अगर वो पॉजिटिव हो या नेगेटिव हो, दैट्स ओके, दैट इज़ बेटर इफ़ यू आर नॉट गिविंग एनी स्ट्रोक. जस्ट एन एग्जाम्पल, if you are walking out of your house and you see your neighbor, you will most likely smile and say hi. Your neighbor will most likely say hello. Right? This is an example of positive stroke. Your neighbor could also say nothing, but just frown at you. This is an example of negative stroke. Either case is better than no stroke at all. Example, your neighbor ignores you completely. So जैसा कि मैंने पहले बताया, स्ट्रोक इधर पॉजिटिव हो और नेगेटिव हो, इट्स बेटर कि आप कोई स्ट्रोक ना दें. जैसे कि एग्जांपल, अगर आप बात करो, इफ़ यू आर अ स्टूडेंट, ठीक है, आप बस स्टैंड पे खड़े हो, आपका एक क्लासमेट भी वहाँ खड़ा है, तो डेफिनेटली आप एक दूसरे को देखोगे, वो आपको हाय, आप उसको हेलो बोलोगे, है ना. दीज आर पॉजिटिव स्ट्रोक. ठीक. और मे बी आप उसको देख के ऐसे स्माइल दोगे एंड ही स्माइल बैक टू यू. दैट इज़ ऑल्सो स्ट्रोक, बट नेगेटिव स्ट्रोक. इट्स बेटर ना कि आप लोग दोनों एक दूसरे को जानते हो, बट स्टिल यू बोथ आर नॉट रिस्पॉन्डिंग टू ईच अदर. दैट मीन्स नो स्ट्रोक. इसलिए बेटर है स्ट्रोक देना, इधर इट इज़ पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव. ओके. गेटिंग सम सॉर्ट ऑफ रिकॉग्निशन इज मोर अपीलिंग देन बीइंग इग्नोर्ड and feeling as if we are not being seen at all. And so a child who doesn't receive enough positive stroke will develop behavior that will at least attract negative stroke. Anything is better than nothing, है ना. As far as conditional and unconditional strokes are concerned, Byrne stated that unconditional strokes are related to what you are, stroke for being, while conditional strokes are about what you do. Okay. I am sharing some example. Unconditional strokes are what you are, and conditional strokes are what you do, like strokes of doing. Okay. So let me give you some example of unconditional and conditional stroke along with positive and negative stroke. ठीक है. Unconditional strokes may be what you are. तो इसका पॉजिटिव स्ट्रोक क्या होगा? दैट मीन्स पॉजिटिव कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स. I like you, I love you, you are wonderful, you are pretty, you are smart. Negative stroke, that means it's insulting. I hate you, I don't like you, you are fool, you are idiot. So these are negative stroke. Conditional stroke, like what you do. पॉजिटिव स्ट्रोक क्या होगा यहाँ पे कॉम्प्लीमेंट में? आई लाइक यू व्हेन यू स्माइल. वाओ, आई लाइक योर क्लोथ्स. आई लाइक योर जैकेट. यू लुक प्रिटी. वेल डन ऑन टेकिंग द एग्जाम. यू हैव डन अ ग्रेट जॉब. दीज आर पॉजिटिव स्ट्रोक कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स. नेगेटिव स्ट्रोक क्या होगा? आई डोंट लाइक यू when you are sarcastic. Your clothes are too tacky. You are really very stupid, for getting fired. Your work is unacceptable. So these are negative stroke. पॉजिटिव स्ट्रोक से हमारा इंटरेक्शन, हमारा कम्युनिकेशन और स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है. नेगेटिव स्ट्रोक कॉन्फ्लिक्ट, कंफ्यूजन बढ़ाता है. Of course, stroke can be further classified in a number of ways by differentiating between verbal and non-verbal stroke, physical or psychological stroke, internal and external stroke. When it comes to stroke, it is also important to understand these following concepts, like stroke filters. What are stroke filters? People often have a stroke filter, a mental filter that operates unconsciously all of the time. This filter only allows some strokes to reach the person by distorting or completely blocking others. They only let in strokes which they think they are allowed to let in. Example, if we have always been told we are the clever one and our brother is the creative one, then we are likely to accept strokes of being clever but not for being creative. है ना? In the same way, we might allow ourselves to receive stroke only for being clever but keep out strokes for being good looking. So these are the filtering of stroke. Like if a girl consider herself to be an intelligent but believes she is ugly, the filter will allow the intelligent stroke to pass but will block or distort any positive stroke, deleting to her beauty. एक तरह से हम उसको कह रहे हैं कि वो इंटेलिजेंट है, पॉजिटिव स्ट्रोक, इन द मीन वाई शी इज़ थिंकिंग कि शी इज़ अगली, तो ऑटोमेटिकली जो है वो जो उसका पॉजिटिव स्ट्रोक था वो चेंज हो जा रहा है कहाँ, नेगेटिव स्ट्रोक में, बिकॉज शी इज़ फोकसिंग मोर अबाउट हिज ब्यूटी. I see you have a new coat can also be changed to either a positive or negative stroke depending upon the receiver's filter. An example, like when a person say to him or herself, he likes my coat, it's a positive stroke. Okay. When the person says to him or herself, he doesn't like my coat, it becomes a negative stroke. Okay. One more important part is stroking profile. When it comes to giving and receiving stroke, most of us use a series of repetitive unconscious pattern, never thinking about what we are doing. Since strokes are fundamentally involved, directly or indirectly, in everything we do, it can be for a great help to become aware what is known as our stroking profile. The stroking profile helps to measure how a person gives and receives strokes in 4 categories. Number 1 is giving stroke is okay, saying no is okay, taking stroke is okay, asking for stroke is okay. The profile takes the form of a table to be completed and makes us think about how we give and receive stroke. This can be a very much effective therapeutic tool, as a person can then decide if they would like to change any part of their stroking profile. For example, a person may decide to stop discounting positive stroke and to ask for more of them. The profile can also help people understand their pattern. A person may not have understood why they receive so many negative strokes. The profile can help them to realize that they have been constantly asking for these negative strokes on an unconscious level. That may be because these kind of strokes are familiar to them and they know how to react, whereas receiving positive strokes makes them feel extremely uncomfortable. Okay. Maybe some people complete the table and realize that they have difficulty in giving strokes. By becoming aware of this, they can make a small conscious effort to gradually offer more strokes. Next is completing your stroke profile. So what is completing your stroke profile? Using the table below. Sorry. What is I think no, sorry. Positive strokes. Let me give you some, like how often we do positive strokes. Okay, usually what we do, we give positive strokes to other, refuse to give the positive strokes other expect from you, accept positive strokes, ask other for positive strokes. This is a list. Okay, what you have to do is you have to make a chart. In the top, in the left hand corner, you can write usually, always, frequently, often, rarely, almost never, and put four headings like give positive strokes to other, number 1, number 2, refuse to give positive strokes other except from you, third one is accept positive stroke, and the last one is ask other for positive strokes. So what you have to do is you have to read and tick the columns, what things you do usually or always or frequently or often, like this, and as same as negative stroke. If you can do this exercise, it will help you to make you understand your stroke level, and through this you can improve your stroke giving policy. Okay, so I think this short description of strokes and transactional analysis you all can understood. Definitely transactional analysis can't be learned in one day. This is a very big and vast topic, and if you want to learn more about this transactional analysis, if you want to gather in-depth knowledge, then you can connect with me. Again, as usual, you all are aware, my name is Fatima from ImmoCare, and my number is 9681279946. You can connect with me. We will plan a session and you can understand this transactional analysis in very depth. Okay, so till then, take care, good night and goodbye. Yeah, sure, I can. Just a second, let me find out what is that. I can share that chat. Just a second. Give me a second. I'm sharing with you. 2 minutes please. Give me a couple of minutes so that I can share with you. Yeah, let me share my screen so you can take screenshot of it. Just a second. Yeah. This is a this is positive stroke. These are the, you can take a screenshot. And next is, this is negative stroke. I hope it's done. Okay guys, then till then, see you again tomorrow. Bye. Take care and good night.